What's up, guys? This is a GMC Yukon Denali with some good looking upgrades and modifications. First thing you'll notice is all the chrome has been removed. The roof rails, window moldings, body moldings, emblems, everything has been blacked out. It looks really good. The wheels have been replaced with a Cadillac Escalade wheel. It's part of the Onyx package on an Escalade. It's an awesome looking wheel. Coming around front, you'll notice the grille has been completely blacked out. The grille surround, which is usually chrome, is painted to match the body. Black emblems, illuminated emblems. They look really good on this car. Black grille looks awesome. Let's go around back. You'll notice the black emblems. This molding is usually chrome, but it's been painted to match the body. Black emblems with the chrome. It's about the only piece of chrome on here. Looking inside, plenty of room back here. Let's lower the seats. Lots of room. Go check out the inside. Nothing aftermarket on the inside, but this is a fully loaded Denali with the dual media screens, big panoramic sunroof, black leather. The Denali stitching looks really good in these vehicles. Power running boards on this Yukon, so when you open the door, they open. When you shut the door, they close. There you go. We'll look in the front. You got the rear view, camera mirror, radio screen, heads-up display. Also some wood paneling along the doors. There's some on the dash as well, on the passenger side. Overall, just a really good look.